The hummingbird, so fairy-like and bright. It lives among the sunny flowers, a creature of delight. In the radiant islands of the east, where fragrant spices grow, a thousand hummingbirds go glancing to and fro. Like living fires they flit about, scarce larger than a bee, among the broad palmetto leaves, and through the fan palm tree, and in those wild and verdant woods, where stately mosses tower, where hangs from branching tree to tree scarlet passion flower, where on the mighty river banks, La Plate and Amazon, the cayman, like an old tree trunk, lies basking in the sun. There builds her nest the hummingbird, within the ancient wood, her nest of silky cotton down, and rears her tiny brood. She hangs it to a slender twig, where waves it light and free, as a campanero tolls his song, and rocks a mighty tree. All crimson is her shining breast, like to the red rose. Her wing is a changeful green and blue, that the neck of the peacock shows. Thou, happy hummingbird, no winter round thee lowers. Thou never saw'st a leafless tree, nor land without sweet flowers. A rain of summer joyfulness to thee for life is given. Thy food, the honey from the flower, thy drink, the dew from heaven.